Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this video is about how I engrave on glasses, like a tumbler or a glass like this or a wine glass. And I had a friend of mine just bought a rotary attachment, and he came out to the house and we were talking about it. And I kind of started thinking about I've always done it with a ruler and measurement, and I actually have a Fusion where I can measure the distance and then back up with uh, the toggle switch to put it right in the middle. But if you don't have that luxury, and this is almost as easy, this glass from the top of the rim to the bottom of the cup, not counting the base, is 5.5 inches. So if we start, I do center engraving. So if you center it at 2.75 inches, but you'd always want to run a test. And so what I did, I drew the item, and I've got two lines that are 5.5 inches apart. And I sent it to the laser, and I apologize that the video is a little bit out of focus, but it's cutting a line right there at the top. I've got the lid open so it's not moving, or it's not cutting. And then it's cutting or engraving right at the bottom of the glass. So I know that these two lines are at the very top of the glass and the very bottom of the glass because I ran them center. And this logo is in the center between those two. So the logo is going to be the same distance from here to here as from there to there. Very easily done. There's many ways you can do a glass. I mean, a lot of people would make their size of the page the size of the glass and just start right here. Well, center is going to help you a lot of times if you have an embossment or something else on the cup and you want it right in the exact spot. So all I did is I take these two lines. Let's just go to arrange and ungroup them for a second. And I just made a duplicate. So I took a hairline and I set my nudge distance on 5.5 inches. I Control D to make a duplicate, and then I nudged it over 5.5 inches. Then I'm going to hold down Shift key and select both those and go to Arrange or Control G to group them together. And then that's when I did that test. And it worked out perfectly good. As you can see, it's right in the middle of the glass. It came out really well. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.